Subtraction guesstimation method. So here I will show one simple technique, similarly like addition's previous topic. Same one example we'll take and we'll make it round it nearest to thousand and hundreds and even tens also we'll see. Okay, so let us take the same problem, previous topic, 8367 a number. I need to subtract this from 5819. Okay, this minus this. So while you're doing subtracting, okay, let us do normal subtraction. If you do, what you get? 17 minus 9 is 8, 4, and 5, 2. 2548. Now, same thing if you take nearest to thousands. 8367 is near to 8000. If we take round it to the nearest thousands, then that becomes 8000. And 5819 is nearest to 6000. So 8000 minus 6000 is obviously it's simple 2000. Here is 548 number is different. We can guess, okay, but the difference is some huge number, 548. Similarly, if you want to guess to nearest to hundreds instead of thousand, nearest to hundreds if you guess. 8367 is 8400. So spontaneously if you want to guess, these are the techniques you can follow. So when you come to the nearest to hundreds, then how much difference let us get to see it. 5800 it is. These calculations we can do internally. You need to apply the pen and paper. Just randomly you can write and we can guess and we can find out. 8400 minus 5800. So it's 2600. From 8400, 5000 is subtract, next to 800 is subtract. We already learned the subtraction concept in simple technique. Previous chapter, same I applied. So when you notice here, 2548, this 2600. 52 number is different. That means is a 3% different. 3% is differ compared to when you round it to the nearest to hundreds. Same technique if you follow nearest to the tens place. Let us see how much you get. So it's approximately same 8367. No, nearest to the tens is take 60. So one number if you are increasing, one side it should be decreased. So 67 I'm increasing, 19 should be increased. Compulsory. One is increasing, one is decreasing, then you will get approximate value. And this is the 5820. So if you see this difference, you will get 2540. Simple. 60 minus 20 is 40, 83 minus 58 is 25. 2548, 2540. So only 8, number 8 is the difference. There is hardly only 1% differ. So guessing also one of the techniques you can follow. Whenever the number is decreased to 1000, nearest to 1000, nearest to hundreds, nearest to tens, the difference between them also will be reduced. Thus, depending on our guesstimation concept, you can apply. Let us take one example. One more. Let us take some 6 digit. Okay, 43, 439, 412. 439,412, 4,39,412. I need to subtract this 24926. Let me take a number. Okay, check with the same concept in this. So if I already verified this is 414486. If you do subtraction and nearest to hundreds or nearest to thousands, let me take to nearest. Okay, thousands means directly we can take 39,000 some change. This is a 40,000. That is 4 and 40,000. This is 24,900 some change. So it's approximately 20. So guessing is very fast in this case if you round it to nearest thousands. So 4 and 420 thousands. 4 lakhs 20,000. If it is nearest to thousands, the guesstimation is very simple. But only when you make two simplifications to nearest hundreds or tens, little bit you need to hard, but difference between the original answer to this is very less. That's the main thing. So if you take nearest to the hundreds, what will happen? 439. This is okay. One we can take to the thousands. At least one of the number we can take to the hundreds. So 25,000. 25,000 if you take. So this first one here is first number is increased, second number is decreased. Actually, this is the same thing what I'm following. But here is by observing the numbers also we can sometimes you can guess. This is 24,000 some change, so you can make it as 25,000. But if you make to nearest to 10,000 concept means it will very huge difference. Here you will get only 414000. 4,14,000. This 4,14,000. 486. So difference is some little bit decreased when you're taking. At least by both the numbers also by observing we can make. Okay, this is some technique you can follow when you're doing subtraction also. Especially only for guessing. Original subtraction solutions we already learned previous chapters. So on spontaneously if you want to guess at least a little bit difference, not so much different. Okay, 2, 3, 4% difference. By making nearest to thousands or hundreds or tens, that's account our convenient we can guess. This is the way. Let me explain few more guesstimation in the even multiplication and divisions also now.